So there's this amazing new strategy that I discovered and I'm super excited to share with you. This brand new strategy will be ideal for you if you're the type of person who is always watching videos like these about making money online. How much money will you be able to make from this? Well, let's just imagine that merely by sharing links you'll be able to earn almost $40,000 every month. Check out these profits from doing this. If you think that's ridiculous, I've only been doing this for a few days, but I've always been able to earn this much. Consider how much money we could make if we tried this for a month. The earning potential of this revolutionary new method is limitless, and it's available worldwide. I'll show you some extra additional steps that will help you earn if you watch all the way to the end. Many folks are unaware of the tips that I will share with you today. These tips will only be available on my channel. As a result, I strongly advise you to watch the video all the way till the end. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal Cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal Cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal Cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Okay, here's where you can find all of these campaigns. These campaigns will be used to generate revenue for us. I'll show you how to make money from this in a step-by-step explanation, so keep an eye out. Don't worry, this website is accessible from any country on the planet. So wherever you are right now, you will be able to earn money from this. What I like about this is that even if you have zero experience doing online jobs, you can very much earn from this. Strategy that I'm about to show you is 100% beginner friendly. Now, the website we'll be using in today's video will be called Kickbooster. Simply head over to their website and you will be able to see their homepage, which looks like this. Right now, you need to hover over users and click on affiliates right here. It will send you to this page where you can learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer on this website. You can see right now on this page that you can earn a lot of money by sharing the projects that you enjoy. You can also use Kickbooster to build unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and be compensated by every successful pledge that comes through. By scrolling below, you can also track your commissions by sharing your affiliate links on your blog, social media accounts, or emails. The more you share, the more you earn. That is a great way to earn money, right? When you scroll down further, you'll be able to see the process on how to become an affiliate marketer for this website, and it's as simple as 4 steps. And I'll walk you through those 4 steps so that you can earn a lot of money from this website too. To make the money on this website, you must first create an account, and that will take you less than 2 minutes to set up an affiliate account, and you won't be charged anything. The next step is to decide which project you want to promote. As I mentioned at the outset earlier, we have a large number of tasks from which you may choose and earn money from. You can browse through their marketplace to find awesome projects to share, and then you can spread the word. You can generate unique affiliate links with a click of a button and share it with your network. You can share it with wherever you want on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any social media of your choice. Finally, once you've completed all the above processes, sit back, relax, and wait for your commissions to pour in. That's all there is to it. If you think that was quick, don't worry. Later on, I'll show you a step-by-step instructional so you don't get lost. Many people tend to skip the video, and as a result, they don't earn anything. And I don't want that to happen to you because I want you to earn money from the strategies that I'm showing you, and that's why I really need you to watch this video all the way till the end. So for the first step, you'll need to have an affiliate account on Kickbooster, and all you need to do is scroll down at the bottom of the page. After that, you'll press the purple button that says this. After clicking that, you'll be led to this website where you can join up as an affiliate marketer. Simply fill in the blanks with your information. Also, don't forget to check the box to acknowledge that you agree their terms and conditions. To complete the registration procedure, click on the box that says "I'm not a robot" and then click the submit button. Now, you have an affiliate marketer account on Kickbooster. It's that simple to create one. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us. and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. You'll be connected to your own dashboard after registering an account. On the dashboard, you'll be able to check how much money you've earned so far from your affiliate links. There are no earnings yet though because this account is brand new, but as you watch the video, you will notice that $0 turns into 100, then 1,000 and so on. So you better stick around. Right now, the next thing to do is hunt for projects to promote. Simply click on Marketplace, and you'll be redirected to Kickbooster's Marketplace. So when you try to scroll down to this page, you'll be able to see that some of the projects that are available on Kickbooster, on the left side, you can actually choose which category you want to see. The Kickbooster Marketplace is full of products that you can promote. Beauty and personal care products, design education, everyday fashion, food games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel are among the items available. Simply click on any of these categories to see the projects that are currently available. I'll show you how to choose the best category to maximize your earnings. That will be a breeze, so there's nothing to be concerned about. The best part is that this is completely free. You don't have to spend any of your hard-earned cash to accomplish this. Okay, so far the areas that I've explored and tested are design, health, and technology, which are the 3 product categories that you can promote and earn a lot of money from. So click on these 3 categories and then utilize the Kickbooster. We'll show you the products under the 3 categories as mentioned at the start of the video. I will now give you a bonus tip. So in this drop-down menu, which says sort by, I want you to choose on a commission high to low, because in that way you'll be able to see the products and give a high commission when you promote them. Following your selection of a key, the poster will now display the products with the highest commissions. You'll see things as you scroll down this page and they'll pay you a lot of money. As you can see, these products will pay you somewhere between 20% and 30% in commissions and fees. That's a substantial sum. You won't have to do much. Anyway, you only need to share the affiliate link and wait for the right people to click on your link. They will give you a commission. That's awesome, right? So we now need to choose a product, and you can actually choose anything you like, but for this video, I'll be choosing since it has a high commission percentage. When you click on a product, it will take you to a landing page where you may learn more about it. As you can see, they will pay you a 30% fee on every dollar you contribute to their campaign. I'm gonna go ahead and click on View Campaign button to learn more about the initiative. I think that it is actually a great product and a lot of people will actually click on it when you share this to them. The great thing about this is that you don't need a lot of people to click on your affiliate link in order to earn. You just need around 3 or 4 people that you will be able to earn a good amount of commission already to start promoting this product. Simply click on this button and you'll be given a unique affiliate link that you can copy and share with others. What is the best way for me to distribute my link? Don't worry, I'll show you some different traffic sources where you can distribute your link later on. And because I use these websites, I know that a large number of people visit them. The first website where there's a lot of traffic is over at Quora.com. Now, I've talked to you about this website before, and I think you're already familiar with this website. What you need to do on Quora is simply search for a new technology. You'll be able to see people who are taking and talking about this topic, and these people will be interested when you share with them the products that you found on Kickbooster. You can simply reply to any of these posts and then talk about the product that you found and then share them with your affiliate link. Facebook is the second website, and I'm sure many of you have Facebook accounts, which you may utilize to promote your affiliate link. To find technology aficionados on Facebook, search for them, click on groups, and all you gotta do is join the group. You may communicate with the members and use your affiliate link to share the Kickbooster product with them. This is something you can do repeatedly because Kickbooster offers a large number of items from which you may choose in a matter of days. You'll be able to collect your commissions and spend them however you choose. Good luck! And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.